Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your TonKeeper wallet from Ton Dating. So for you to do that, you have to open your TonKeeper on your iPhone. Once you have it open, then you tap at browsers. Once you do that, then you tap at this option called Ton Dating. Tap at it, then another page will pop up. Then once you tap at it, a page is going to pop up, and that is where you can make a payment for the Ton Dating recommendation for people that want to use their platform for dating. Then if you want to disconnect your Ton wallet, if you want to disconnect your TonKeeper wallet from this particular platform, which is still Ton Dating, you have to tap at this three dot icon, tap at it, then you tap on disconnect. For you to check if you have been disconnected, then tap again. You can see there's no option for you to disconnect, so which means your account, your TonKeeper wallet account has been disconnected from this platform. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.